Hello, welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. The winner of the last giveaway is Annette Rogers. Thank you so much for participating, and I will have more giveaways really soon, so make sure to subscribe to catch the next one and hit the bell icon. Today we're making curry bread. Yes, the last video I made a curry base gravy. I'm starting with purple onions. You blacken the purple onions on the griddle. Now we're going to use 4 cups of spelt flour, and 1 cup of rye flour. You can use all spelt if you want, but I think that the rye gives it a little bit more texture rather than just having a brick of spelt. Teaspoon of sea salt. 2nd teaspoon of sea salt. Fresh basil. This is important to use fresh herbs for this bread because the dried herbs are definitely not going to be as good. If you grow your own basil, it is the best, or you can buy it fresh sometimes. I'm going to mix together the dry ingredients just to make sure they're all completely combined. You don't want any blobs of salt. One of my favorite foods is grilled purple onions. Look how good they look. These are so fresh, sweet. They add an amazing taste and they're good for you. They also add texture to the bread. The reason that I grilled them first is just to get a little bit of the water out of them so that they don't make the inside of the bread so doughy. And I just chopped these up coarsely because they were too hot. All right, in goes the onion. And here goes the base gravy. There's about 1 cup. Gradually add it in while it's mixing. You can do this by hand as well. Just make sure to gradually pour it in while you're mixing. And here is another half of a cup. Teaspoon of avocado oil, second teaspoon of oil, That could have been a tablespoon, in fact. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And we're going to add another ½ cup of the gravy, and I'm just adding it gradually so that the bread stays the right consistency. So I added 2 cups total, but you just want to add a little bit at a time. There we go, that looks like a good ball of dough now. Alright, it looks ready. So you know the drill. I'm going to oil the pan, and I'm also going to flour it so that we can easily get this out later without any problems. Just sprinkle the flour and get it around, especially in the corners, evenly. And this came right out. Pretty much just plopped it right in to the loaf pan. Now this didn't rise as much because I didn't use sparkling water. You'll see in some of my other alkaline bread videos that the way we get it a little bit fluffy with a little bit of air bubbles in it is by using sparkling spring water, but instead this time I used the curry gravy. So it was pretty dense bread, but it was a hearty, healthy, very tasty bread. Now for my signature salty crust. And a cayenne also. If you don't like it spicy, you don't have to add that. But a nice dusting of cayenne on the crust is really a good addition. Now this bread is especially good with avocado toast because there's so much flavor packed inside it. You won't need to season your avocado after. You can just put avocado on it and boom, it's already salty and spicy. Now another finishing touch, I just stuck some cloves in the top of the bread. Pop it right in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cloves were a good touch. I actually bit into one of them whole, and it tasted pretty amazing. At first I was shocked, like, uh-oh, that wasn't a good idea. But then I thought, oh, this is great. Very pleasant taste. Here we go, here's the final product. We've got our loaf of curry bread. You can eat this with curry, you can eat it with pasta, you can make avocado toast. You could do anything with it. Let me know what you're going to eat it with in the comments. I have a lot of different bread recipes already on the channel, and I have a playlist of cooking videos, so make sure you check that out if you like these. I've been getting rave reviews on these spelt breads, and I appreciate your comments so much. I just did a live video where I answered a lot of your questions. Definitely make sure to tune into one of those if you have questions, and if you don't catch me live, ask in the comments. I always look forward to hearing from you. Check out the avocado toast. Very simple. Now this is just avocado on it. Usually I add more than just avocado to avocado toast. For example, onion powder, cayenne, sea salt, and so on. But this one has nothing, just avocado, because the bread is spicy by itself. My light stopped working